Hello everyone, welcome to What's Viral. Today we've got some really interesting clips, so make sure to keep watching till the end. The rain poured on a light that is a tribute to 9/11, and it resulted in this mesmerizing view. These polarized sunglasses work as an IRL ad blocker.
Oh, God.
This guy made the farm work so much faster by lifting and throwing full buckets backward repeatedly over his head. This guy attempts to complete the Ard Blair Stones challenge. In order to win it, the player must lift a series of 9 concrete spheres which weigh 18 to 152 kilograms sequentially, from lightest to heaviest.
Go on, Jimmy. Make sure of these ones. First time, right up. Squeeze! Watch the ball! Andy! See the game, get in there. Make sure of it. What? Oh, make sure of it. Go on, Jim! Back squeeze! Come on, Jim! Load it, come on! Come on, squeeze! Back squeeze! Yeah, come on! Come on, boy! Yeah! See me? Well, who wants to see this? Come on! Yeah!
Up, get it!
Yeah!
Yes, sir! Huh?
Back squeeze!
All day!
All day!
You got it! You got it!
All the way from Inverary.
Yes, sir!
Ladies and gentlemen,
Go!
23-year-old John John.
Come on! Let's go! Let's go! Yes,
If you are wondering whether cats can play fetch, they definitely could, and it would make them look a little bit more aggressive, but still cute.
Oh. Good.
Here is a good dog having a nice time in the pool. That's all for today. Make sure to subscribe to get notified whenever I upload my next video. Thanks for watching. See you again in another video.